But if you don't have a lot of muscle and you don't have a young brain, that adjustment might not work. It might hurt. It might make them worse. And you better know, if you're a chiropractor, right, and you want your patients to get better, and if you're a Christian chiropractor, you don't want them to suffer and make them worse. The dentato. Dentato. So what's the dentato? That's the dentate nucleus of the cerebellum. Rubro. All right, everybody know their Spanish? They know their Latin? Rubro means red, right? So from the dentate here to the red nucleus of the mesencephalon or midbrain, right? So when I say that, everybody, even ChatGPT messes that up. Mesencephalon, so I know. Thalamo, all right? So then it goes up into your thalamus, okay? And what's the thalamus? That's where all pain is perceived. Now, thalamus to the cortex. What's the cortex? All right, the cortex is the brain, right? So it goes from the thalamus up here into the brain, all right? Now, the dentato rubro thalamo cortical luizian pathway, right? So the luizian. So this is going to come down into the basal ganglia to the luizian area to deal with movement disorders, okay? So what does a chiropractor do? They adjust people. They manipulate. So they're using the muscle spindle system. They're using that dentato rubro thalamo cortical luizian pathway. So an adjustment's very powerful to the brain, and Trey knows that because he talks about it in his book. As soon as he had that adjustment, his whole life changed. Now why? Because he had a lot of muscle, and he had a pretty young brain. He was still in his 20s, okay?